Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix speaker not working problem on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings menu, so just swipe down and turn off mute. After turn off mute, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. Turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down and click on system, reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click on hot side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix speaker not working problem on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.